The boolean operators are logical operators. Basically what, using logical operators we can club more than one expression. So that is, there is a not, and, or, XOR like this. As a part of assignments, you're supposed to write the truth table of all the gates. You remember these logical gates. What is and? Let's say if you have one boolean expression and you have another boolean expression, so this whole thing is considered as one boolean expression. So in this case, if both the expressions yields in a true, the result is true, then only the output will be true, or else it will be false. So that is and. Whereas if you go for or, if one operand, any one of the operand is true, then we can say the whole expression output will be true. So like that, suppose if it's not, then it will be negation of the output. So here is one simple example. Okay, boolean, I have written this here also. Boolean operators dot java. So you see here, let's assume that there is a rule that above 120 years you cannot vote, and below 120, so above 120 years you cannot vote, and again above 18 you can vote. So how do we check for such condition? So I have a variable called age with a value 25, age greater than 18, and age should be less than 120 years. So it's greater than equal to, isn't it? So you can write like this. So what will be the output? Since age here is 25, output will be true. Same way, if you see here, I have one expression here. This is the one expression, boolean expression. This result in an boolean value, either true or false. And same way here I have another expression, and if output of this, if any one of this is true, then output of this whole expression will be true. Again that will be clubbed into another boolean expression here. So this is for checking, and this is a simple logic for checking if a year is leap year or not. If you are not aware, 2016, that is this year, so that February it was like leap year, as well as 2020 is the next one, that is also leap year. So this is basically what boolean operators. What are the boolean operators we have? We have not, and, or, and XOR. Sorry, not, and, or, XOR. Now that's about the boolean operators. Boolean expression. What is boolean expression? Any expression which results in output as true or false. Say for example, I already have this file open here. Boolean expression. The same thing I have written. You see here, earlier what I was doing, I was giving the output directly as an input to println. Now what I am doing, so even this itself is a boolean expression. Just to add an extra thing, just to make it more clear, I have added this chapter. So if age is greater than 18, this is a boolean expression. Output of this expression will be stored in is eligible to vote. So then I am printing it here. Same way here, output of this expression is stored in this variable. Then I am printing the output of this. So in this case it is true, and in this case I think the that is also true. So you see the output as true. So that is the end of boolean data type chapter. So that is the end of boolean data type chapter. In the next, what we are going to use, we are going to use these boolean expressions or the boolean value in the condition statement, like if else, else if, and if else if, nested if. And again we are also going to use boolean expression in conditional expression, that is ternary operator there also. See you.